Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Good to see you all virtually. I wanted to make a quick video because I just wanted to show how to clean out a clogged up drain line. So this is a safety switch. They are well worth the money for them. Essentially what they do is, this is the coil where the water exits out, and you install this with this little electrical float, and you can probably even hear it. It will shut off the AC. There it is. It just shut off when the water backs up enough to about this level to actually shut it off. So there it is. Turn it back on. So do you see that? It's all full of gunk and whatnot. So we're gonna go ahead and clean it out, and the way you do that is, or the way I do it is, I cut it up here, and then we'll remove this fitting. We will put our hand on here, and we will put our little CO2 gun in here and blow it all out. So I'll show you how I do that. Okay, so we go ahead and cut it right here. Just like that. It's normal. Water's obviously gonna come out. And then we look inside of here. Not bad. So then the clog is probably just in here and inside of this trap. So let's go ahead and put our little device on here, a little CO2 gun. Cover this up, blow it out. So this is the CO2 gun that I use. You just kind of put these cartridges in there and screw this little head on, and it punctures the top. So, and then it's got its little trigger to let that air into the pipe after you put your, piece on here. All right. So I can't do this with two hands, or sorry, with one hand. So I'm gonna have to show you the after it's been cleaned out, to show you that the water is exiting. Okay, so actually I was able to set it up. So this is kind of like the gun right here, CO2 gun. So put your little cartridge in here. They sell those separately. Screw the cap, screw it on, and you'll hear it. There it is, nice and tight. Put this little adapter piece up top here. Hold it down with one hand, and then you press your trigger, but you need to have all exits closed. So I close this off. Okay, so after you do it a couple more times, you just put it back together. You put the little float back in, and then you just put a coupling on this. Pretty simple. There it is. Now let's go ahead and go to where that. There it is. Look at all this gunk. It's all gravel here, and look at all this mud. That's what was clogging up that drain line, and that was turning off the safety switch, the little float, which was turning off the AC. So it's good to have those, because if you don't, it will start leaking into the house. And if your air handler is in the middle of the house, well, that can be a big problem. And even if it isn't, even if it's in an exterior closet like this, it can get wet enough to the point where it can rot out all this down here and make its way into the house. So, well, that's how you do that. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.